What's up guys, and thank you so much for checking out another 2-minute tech video. Today we're going to be reviewing the S9 Plus, and we're going to do it in just about 2 minutes. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also check out some of the other S9 Plus videos we have listed down below. We've gone over the specification and the features of this phone in 2-minute videos each, so they don't take up too much time. Let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and get started. So when you talk about the S9 Plus, you have to look at it from two perspectives. As someone who's upgrading from an older model, it is a fantastic phone. The design is beautiful, the screen is beautiful, it's very snappy, it's extremely quick, it's feature packed, it's everything that Samsung phones have come to known as. They have all the best features, all the best specifications, their cameras are fantastic, their screens are always fantastic. The problem with the S9 Plus is that the S8 Plus was such a fantastic phone, and it's interesting to say that if you really think about it. They're being penalized because they made such a great phone to begin with last year, but that is really the situation that you're having here, because the S8 Plus was such a fantastic phone. Samsung basically just repackaged it and upgraded the specs, and it's not something that Samsung's really known for. They're known for innovating, they're known for moving forward, so it's definitely weird to see the same form factor, the same phone, fingerprint scanner adjusted. So they fixed the main problems people were looking for in the S8 Plus, but again, it's not too much of a departure from the old phone, so it's hard to actually recommend this phone to anyone, because if you look at it, the S8 Plus is probably cheaper, a lot cheaper, and the specs aren't really that much off. So if you're in the market for an upgrade from like an S7 or anything lower, the S8 Plus is probably a better deal than the S9 Plus. But the S9 Plus is still a really fantastic phone. It's just, I don't know what market this phone is for. So verdict here, it's going to be the S9 Plus is a fantastic device. I just don't think it departs enough from the S8 Plus for us to recommend it. If you're coming up from another device, you may want to take a look at the S8 Plus. And if you really want the latest and greatest, maybe wait for the S10. The S9 Plus is kind of a niche phone that I'm not sure who it's for. But if you enjoyed the video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also tune in for more 2-minute tech video. Till next time, peace out.